Young customers from Thailand have had a memorable experience when deciding to visit Vietnam for a tour of Hai Lan company and directly participate in the operation process of this production line. Throughout this journey, you have had the opportunity not only to observe but also to experience firsthand. You even had the chance to communicate with your family to share those memorable moments about the production process and involvement in operating the compressed air press. The Hai Lan staff meticulously and wholeheartedly guided you through every aspect of the production process. They helped you gain a better understanding of the product details. One noteworthy point is that you had the opportunity to connect with your family through a phone call so that they could also participate and witness the interesting moments you were experiencing. When you have been fully instructed, you have participated directly in operating the compressed air press.
ก็เหมือนไม่เหนียวล้วนๆดูผงแล้วละเอียดเท่ากันเลยของนี่แมวเดี๋ยวเอาผงกลับไปด้วย
What's interesting is that this machine operates relatively simply. Just press the start button and the machine will automatically carry out the pressing, cutting, hole punching, and separating tasks. When the product is completed, pre-processed nuts will automatically drop off and move along the conveyor belt to the next stage, ready for the drying process on the grid frame. What stands out in this process is the incredibly impressive pressing speed, achieving 19 cone per 10 seconds, which means 3,420 cone per hour. Not only is it operated simply and efficiently, the machine also has the ability to be flexible. By simply changing the mold, the machine can produce various types of candles. 𝘾𝙤𝙣𝙚𝙤𝙤 engraved with patterns, lotus-shaped candles, round-shaped candles, or various other types of nuts according to customer preferences. Especially, the machine operates completely automatically, reducing human intervention and optimizing production efficiency. Before the product is delivered, the compressed air press has undergone the inspection and testing process thoroughly to ensure its stability and reliability. Afterward, the product has been carefully and thoughtfully packaged, ready for the transportation process to the final destination. All of this reflects a commitment to quality and the meticulousness in the production and delivery process of these candles to the customer's hands.